Bonus video, shop's full right now. I can't do anything else except for perhaps assemble this transmission jack. You guys were asking me why I did not use the trans jack on my axle drive shaft, on my drive shaft that I replaced, and that is because it was not assembled yet and I didn't want to do it, so I'm going to do that right now. Don't let the cardboard deceive you. I think this is a wooden crate. This thing is stupid heavy. It's a couple 100 pounds. What do we got? Yeah, that's made out of wood. Looks like the cardboard is for decorative purposes only. That's a lot of metal in there too, and it's blue. Oh. All right, now this crate appears to be bolted together, or at least the parts inside of it are bolted to the crate, so let us unbolt them. I think can't not see. That doesn't help. I still can't see. Can't even feel it. I think I got it. Save that for later. Good. Couple more over here. This is kind of fun. It's like the ultimate unboxing. These bolts were not torqued to spec. We did not get any reverse clicks. The most violent unboxing ever. Oh. I think that's enough. Now I can get out the goodies. Let's see what we got here. A couple arms or legs or feet or something. This looks like hardware. I think that's hardware. Lots of hardware. Nuts and bolts, casters, okay. These look like really good casters. They're metal, not plastic. Ball bearing. Nice. Let's see what else we got here. This is a very large hydraulic cylinder. That's the body of the tool. Ooh, more fasteners. A couple arms for the top side, and then the plate. This is all heavy. Oh, come out. What are we stuck on? We're stuck on stupid. Come out. Those mosquitoes here again. It's that time of day. Okay, that right there is the top plate for the unit. And it's adjustable. This is good. We'll put that right here and get this crate out of here. We don't need this anymore. So I'm cracking into the hardware here. Check these things out. These are massive bolts. Must be for the base legs. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this. Honk. I'm gonna maneuver this ever so slightly and get these pieces fit together without picking them up. We're gonna work smarter, not harder. Thread. Is that gonna thread or not? Get on there. Loud noises. Click. Alright, that's one. Let's spin her around and do the other side. Give it a lean back. Whoa! Come back to me. Alright, what am I doing? we go. One more bolt. Nice toy. Here, let's get the wheels on next, since we're down here. One at a time. With our decorative acorn nuts. Caster click. And one down, 3 go. Oh, that mosquito. Maybe it's multiple mosquitoes. Either way, I have a thin shirt on today, and they're biting me through the back of my shirt. Like I feel them on my back. I put on some spray, but these are Florida mosquitoes, they don't care. Nick. And one more. Uno más. Nice. All right, the base is done. Hydraulic jack. I believe that's the release lever. This piece goes on top of that piece, secures, and then that is that's our base. Open plug, one revolution, replace vent plug. Wait, what is this? Open plug, replace with vent plug. Okay. So we take this out, put that in. Oh, it vents, I see it. So it doesn't dump all the oil out of the jack while it's in transit, I would assume. It's like the one time when directions were a good idea. We'll just leave that dangly bit right there for a while. Alright, time for our plate. That screw is in too far, I think. Get on there. It's not going. Hammer time. You are gonna go down. There it goes. It's going now. Impact shock therapy. Got it. Click. Okay. Clockwise is closed. Let's try it out. It's working. I wonder if this is a single stage or a 2-stage ram. I think it's a 2-stage. We're gonna find out. Did you ever get a mosquito bite and then you felt like you were being bitten by additional mosquitoes, even though you weren't? Like you get the phantom bite syndrome. I suffer from that. It's quite annoying. Like I feel like one is biting me in my hand right now, but it's not. Yep, that's a 2-stage. So yeah, the big ram reached its throw and the second one took over. That's cool. And of course the base is adjustable. Get your angle for your dangle proper. Works on fuel tanks and drive shafts and suspension and axles. I'm not going to install these rails right here just yet. I don't really care for these because they stick up in the air. Now, if I were removing a transmission, I would definitely utilize these, but for the time being, they're just gonna go over here in storage. Use those later. All right, guys, that will conclude my bonus transmission jack assembly video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you guys later. Begin lowering now. It's working. Click.